MLA barim Nongkrem constituency ba Arden Miller bersama ula pentip ba mau rengkat bagi nong senong badan ke cingsngau ya korkom jinglong jiman mementah jela kila penkai ke seng saiñpyrthei ba thymmai ke tip korteng kum ke Voice of the People's Party apa pentip paj ba ikani lengba ke jingalang bagi nong thaw kubor haka dop hai sngi santre kurisau uni nong mikmat barim loong ba ke jela kala nang hier bagi seng saiñpyrthei ibran mentah kimla mentre kat kum ke cimilti upaj ba nong senong.
As concerned citizens of this beautiful state, we cannot sit idle and turn a blind eye and hear about the present situation in the state. As you are all aware, the state is going to complete 50 years of its existence in 2022. That is next year. However, it is sad to see that the state is going down in every aspect. In view of the present state of affairs in the state, the absence of a strong political will, the failures of the existing political parties to live up to the expectation of the people, we have decided to float a new regional political party, namely Voice of the People Party, in short VPP, in order to bring about a political change in the state. Therefore, we would like to appeal to the people of the state to be part in this effort to bring about change in politics in the state of Italia, and also to give us a chance to govern the state. We can assure the people of the state that a vote for us, number one, is a vote for real and complete change. Number two, a vote for a clean and good governance. Number three, vote for a strong and decisive leadership. Number four, a vote for peace and security. Number five, a vote for an all-round and an inclusive development. Lastly but not the least, vote for unity. So we strongly believe that today we are giving a message of hope to the people of the state, and we are sure that the people of the state will not waste this opportunity if we want to bring a new era